This video follows a month living in a rainforest town where a freelancer masters focus without sacrificing community. The narrator shares practical routines, quiet mornings, public library dedication spaces, and efficient wandering blocks that blend work with discovery. Advice includes setting a portable workflow, negotiating time zones with clients, and using local networks to accelerate problem solving. Personal stories reveal how a short daily hike became the best reset, keeping creativity high during long pinging meetings. Viewers leave with a concrete plan: test one new work spot a week, track energy, and celebrate small travel milestones.